it's Jenny with Jenny's Wreath Boutique, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an adorable wreath for spring. I don't know if you can see it behind me. That's the wreath we're going to be making today. So if you are like me, you have been cooped up in your house a little bit longer than normal these days. And since you're here a lot, you want your house to look so nice and welcoming and warm. So what better way than a pretty wreath? Let's just get into it. Make sure you like this video and subscribe if you haven't done that already. All right, let's go. The materials you're going to need for this wreath are a grapevine wreath. This is a 14-inch grapevine wreath frame, and you can use whatever size you want. The 14-inch grapevine will make you a wreath that is about 19 or 20 inches in diameter. And you're going to need some floral wire. I use 26 gauge because it's nice and soft. You're also going to need some wire cutters, hot glue. I will link my favorite kind in the description below. The next thing, you're going to need some greenery. I have these adorable stems I got from Michael's. They're so pretty. I love them. Aren't they cute? So I have 5 of those, and we're going to need some pink berries. These are also from Michael's. The last thing is this bamboo. And all these materials are really like high quality faux, which is nice. So it's gonna look real, but it's not. It will last for many, many years. Like I said, all of these materials are from Michael's. And right now they have curbside pickups. You can order it online and pick it up. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is trim up your grapevine wreath so it doesn't look so messy. Now that our wreath is all cleaned up, it's time to start. First, we're going to use these cute flowers, and there is a long piece and a short piece. So the long piece goes on the inside and the short piece goes on the outside. So first what we do is we take this, and if you have any leaves that are the ugly side, it's not an ugly side, but just the back side is showing, you can twist them outward like this. So that you'll have more of the pretty green side showing. And then we just glue the bottom of the stem and push it into the grapevine, kind of toward the middle, because the leaves will cover up the inside. And then we're just going to bend it along the grapevine. And then we take our floral wire and then put the floral wire around the middle of your stem. And then, I don't know if you can see this, and then push the wire through the grapevine. And then twist. I'm just twisting it on the back. I'll show you really quick. I'm just twisting nice and tight, and then tuck in the wire so it doesn't poke anything. Okay? The only downside about the 26 gauge wire is that it's a little softer, which is good, but the downside about that is sometimes it gets stuck on the grapevine and it's harder to push through, but you can do it. Okay, then we take our smaller one, make sure all the leaves are pretty side up. And then you go down a little ways on the outside, like right there, and about halfway down. And then we're going to glue it and tie it. And then we're going to continue that same process until we have the whole wreath covered. All right, now that we have all of those in, we're going to add the bamboo. And yeah, we're going to need about 5 pieces. So I'm going to cut off 5 pieces. And I'm going to add these right in between each section of these. So where there's a spot that needs to be filled in, I will add it there. And it's going to stick out a little bit, make the wreath look a little bit more wild, which I like, gives it some character. I also like that these add a little bit different texture, but it kind of stays in that bright green color. Now that our greenery is in, it's time to put in our pink berries. These really put it over the top, and I love that the pink matches so well with these like delicate pink flowers. They kind of have a corally undertone. So first I have to take these apart. We're going to use 5 of them and save the leaves. We're going to use those too. I'm going to add the berries in between each set of the bigger flowers. Okay, so at this point we're almost done. I just have these leaves to fill in the gaps. So if you see any grapevine or any piece that seems uneven, just fill it in with these leaves and then we're going to be all done. Okay, there it is. Now we're done. What do you think? Okay, here it is, our spring wreath all done. Isn't it cute? I love it. I love this corally pink color and all the textures of the flowers and the berries and the different leaves. so cute. I think it'd also be really cute for Easter, for Mother's Day. You could make one for your mom. And also for summer. I just love it. It's got really bright, pretty colors. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I make lots of wreath tutorials and Etsy tips, and I show you how to make your home beautiful inside and out. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!